Hi guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Wiggins hair. So jumping right into it, this is what came in the bag. It came with some lashes, edge brush, and a couple other bits and bobs, like a wig cap and stuff, which is amazing. I got a 26-inch unit and I got a medium cap size, which fit me perfectly. I think always just go for a medium, guys, if you're buying a wig. This is what the texture looked like. It is a body wave, but of course once I washed it, the body wave was no longer waving, unfortunately, but it was fun while it lasted. This is what the color looked like. So it was like a caramelly chocolate blonde brown situation. Really beautiful. I have had a wig similar to this before. It was slightly darker and not as highlighted as brightly. It was giving, Y2K chunky highlights, and yeah, I had a great time with it. I couldn't decide if I wanted to bleach the knot. I decided to anyway because I could still see a little bit of black coming through onto the lace, so I just bleached it, washed it, and then went ahead and plucked it off camera. As I always say, I do have a tutorial on how I do this, but this is the before and this is the after of what it looked like once I plucked and styled the wig. It plucked really easily and I just love this color, guys. It's so beautiful. I feel like this is the perfect brown, because sometimes I feel like brown can look kind of strange on my skin tone because it blends, but I feel like this is perfect because it's got the little highlighted bits at the front as well. So yeah, 10 out of 10 from me. Now moving into the install. Again, this is what the wig looked like on the mannequin. Beautiful. Plucked really easily, and yeah, I literally had no issues when it came to prepping this wig. So first things first, let's tint the lace. The only thing that I didn't like about this wig, guys, is the lace color. So the lace is transparent. It's not I don't know if it's HD lace or not. I'm not 100% sure, but it was just very light and I found it quite hard to tint. I don't know, I would maybe in the future have gone in with a foundation instead of a powder, because I layered this on, guys. I put so many layers of powder on and it was still a little bit too light for me. I don't know, you can see here it's almost ashy. So this would be great if you do have a lighter skin tone. This lace color will look amazing on you, but if you're darker than me or the same skin tone as me, I would recommend just getting a lace tint. I'll link some below if you're interested in what lace tints I use. But yeah, this is what it looked like once I put it on. It is gorgeous. Look how flat that is, guys. Come on. It's given. Anyways, I clipped my hair back and then went ahead and cut my little tab sections. So I do 3 on either side and then cut off the ear tabs as well, just to make it easier when it comes to gluing down everything. You know the drill. And yeah, like I said, the wig fit me perfectly, no issues, no lace bubbling. I don't know if anyone else ever gets that when the lace starts folding over at the top because it's too big. Thankfully, I didn't get that with this, but yeah. I went ahead and grabbed my Ghost Bond and glued down the wig. I applied 2 layers of this, and guys, I've come to the epiphany. No one buy this glue. I'm so sorry. Amazing if this works for you, but this glue is horrendous. And I always say this, but I've actually reached my breaking point and I will not be going back to this glue after this video. It just leaves a white cast. I don't know what it is like. And I didn't realize this till I ended up using I went back to my Got2b blasting free spray the other day, and I used, I did the regular method, and I was like, hold on, this lace is giving scalp. And I realized that the reason my lace was showing up on camera wasn't because I'd forgotten how to do my lace and lay my wigs. It's literally this glue, guys. It's horrendous and it's just not good, and it always gives me a rash. So yeah, stay away from this, guys. Not recommended. But anyways, back to the install. Here's me going in onto the sides, the usual, and I'm using a flat surface to blend this in. And yeah, I'm just doing this all over my head. If you guys do have any good glue recommendations, please let me know, because I do just want my wigs to last without me having to look like I've been going through, I don't know what with my hair, but yeah. Any recommendations, let me know. Once I've done this side, I'm just grabbing my tiny edge brush and I'm just combing through the front of the hair just to make sure that there's no white bits, which there were, but we've been through that already. I grabbed some more of my powder on a small brush and just coloured and shaded in wherever I felt like still wasn't matching my skin. So yeah, I just did that and repeated the process on the other side as well, as you can see here. Now I'm just grabbing my elastic band and tying this down for about 5 minutes and melting everything together. This is just going to help the glue set a little bit better. I took it off and then went ahead and cut my lace. Apparently I have found the speed setting on Final Cut Pro, so yeah, I've never used this before, but kind of like it. I literally only found that out halfway through editing this video, so yeah. Anyways, once I cut the lace with my eyebrow razor, I'm grabbing the face powder again and just reshading in, because as you can see, it's a little bit too light once I added the baby hairs, which will happen now. It did blend a lot better. So I'm starting with my sideburns. I'm just sectioning them off, grabbing my hot comb and just combing them out of the way. Still hot combing. Once I hot combed it, I grabbed my eyebrow razor and I'm just cutting them just above my jawline. And then I'm grabbing a mixture of, I think it's my Got2b glue gel, the black one, and I mix a little bit of my ORS mousse on the back of my hand, and then I'm just sweeping the baby hairs into place. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do any on the side of my head because of the hairstyle that we are going to be doing at the end, but I decided to add 2 little ones anyways. So I just sectioned them off and twisted off the section that I wasn't working on, and then just did the exact same thing. I just grabbed my eyebrow razor, cut them in a diagonal line just above my brow, and then swooped the baby hairs. Here's me just showing how I do the mousse and gel trick, because I find that mousse is too watery and it lifts the lace, and then gel is too strong and it makes the baby hairs crunchy. So when you mix the two together, it's like the perfect consistency and leaves you with the perfect texture of baby hairs. So yeah, just a little tip for you guys. Just swooping over here as well, and I'm just applying the rest onto the hairline. I don't know why I don't have a clip of me tying my hair down, but I did that anyway. Took the hair down and then just went over my hair with some straighteners. As you can see here, it was already pretty straight, but I had a few kinks in from, you know, clipping my hair back. So I just do that, and then just perfecting the part and, you know, all that good stuff. Once I do that, I'm just removing my headband. I think it was on for about 10 minutes, and this is what the wig looks like, completely straight and just sleek. And I love this look. I loved how it looked. It's so beautiful and it's so long. 26 inch. I'm 5'6" for reference, and it touched my hip bone. 26 inch touches my hip bone, so it's pretty long. This is a close-up of the lace. Please don't watch the lace, because I know you can see it and I can see it too, but you get the point. All right, it's the glue. I'm blaming the glue, but the hair is absolutely gorgeous and you can see how silky it is as well. But I decided I wanted to try a different hairstyle, just to show you guys. I don't know, because I feel like I always just do the same thing, just straight middle part, and I'm over it. I want to be creative. So I sectioned off 2 little highlighted bits at the front, and then just grabbed the sides of my hair and just, what did I do? I just combed it back and then grabbed a small elastic band and tied it back in the middle of my head. And this just created a really cute, like, I don't know what this hairstyle is called, but it's super cute. I just cut the front bits a little bit just so they're not super long at the front. And yeah, this is what this hairstyle looked like. Super easy. Just a little alternative if you want to try something different. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.